Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 Commerce Pass question. Question number 32 says a shipping document detailing the charges for carrying a particular cargo for a specific voyage is dash. When we talk of voyage, the word voyage means journey, for a particular journey or traveling. Then cargo represents the consignment, which is the goods. So that is the cargo. Then a shipping document detailing that has details charges for carrying a particular cargo for a specific voyage is that A. Dock warrant, B. Freight note, C. Bill of lading, D. Mate's receipt. So the correct option here is freight notes or document. It can also be known as document. We want to talk of freight notes or document is a document which shows that carriage
in fact, three of them. Make sure you're
charges for a particular cargo. For a specified journey. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.